Here's how to apply UV DTF Pen Wrap step by step. I hope this tutorial will help you for the smooth application process. Step number 1. Trim pen wrap on both sides. Make sure to cut the excess part of the pen wrap and cut very closely to the design on both sides. This is required to avoid adhesive being overlapped at the seam, which may cause application errors. Step number 2. Position and secure. Fill the backing completely, then place the pen on the straight surface with something to hold. In this video, I used my finger to secure the placement, but I'd recommend placing it on the table. Insert the pen wrap underneath the pen hook like this, then use your thumb to press down the pen wrap to secure the placement. Once secured, flip the pen and slowly start pressing the wrap around the pen. When you get the other side of the pen, take scissors to cut the little slit like this so you can let down the wrap that will be applied below the pen hook. Then for the remaining decal, you can either use your nail to push it in or use scissors to cut the excess, whichever you prefer to complete the application. Take time to push it with your finger to activate adhesive. Step number 3. Remove backing. Slowly, very slowly, peel off the backing paper from the decal, ensuring it doesn't stretch or tear. I love using sewing needles or a needle pen for lifting the edge of the carrier sheet. If any part of the design lifts up as you go back, gently push down on that area, and then resume peeling. Step number 4. Smooth it out. Use your fingers or palm to smooth out the decal starting from the center and moving outward. There you go, you are done. Sizing for our pen wrap is 1.24 inch by 4.4 inch, and all of our pen wraps are designed using this template size. While you are welcome to use them on other pens or blanks if you choose to do so, please note that it will be at your own risk. We do not offer refunds or replacement for any issues arising from the use of these decals on surfaces.